Hola! Today I'm here to present you one of our hot exclusive listings. This is a south-facing corner townhouse located in one of the most luxurious gated communities in Sierra Blanca, Marbella. Welcome! This townhouse has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 403 square meters, 200 meters of terraces. On the main floor, a very large and bright living room with dining area leads through the covered terrace and a private garden. First floor consists of 3 good-sized bedrooms, including the master, all of which are en suite, and with the 2 south-facing bedrooms having access to a terrace with views of the Marbella coast and Puerto Banús. The upper level has a fantastic solarium with heated plunge pool and a large terrace, great for barbecue and entertainment. The views are spectacular in all directions. La Concha Mountain behind and the Mediterranean in front, with Africa and Gibraltar in the distance. Taking the elevator down to the lower level, there are 2 bedrooms plus an office or a cinema room, sauna and plenty of storage spaces. On this level, we also have a private garage for 2 cars.
Saving the best for last, we're here at the rooftop with a private pool. And for those who are not familiar with Sierra Blanca, I'm here with area expert Fuchsia Finney, who's going to talk to you a little bit about this fantastic location in Marbella.
Hi everyone, so we're here in Sierra Blanca today at this beautiful townhouse that Carolina has showed you. Sierra Blanca is one of the most exclusive areas of Marbella. It finds itself about 5 minutes to Puerto Banús, 10 minutes to Marbella Center, and is located, as you can see, in a prestigious area offering stunning views over the Mediterranean coast down to the African mountains and Gibraltar.